Hi everyone, this is Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com, and what you're seeing here today is our shower and tub area. And over the next week we're going to have this whole area retiled with some gorgeous new looking tile. So stay tuned to watch this project unfold. So here's day 2 of our huge tile project in our master bathroom. You can see that the old tile has been removed. The shower membrane liner, the shower doors have all been stripped and taken out, and we've recentered the tub. Now it's not going to sit cockeyed anymore, and we've put Curdy board on, and tomorrow we hope we'll start the shower pan liner. And you can see here the tub has been positioned properly now, so it runs in kind of longitudinal direction along the length of the platform. Before it was kind of sitting cockeyed. We never could understand why it was put in that way, and fortunately we were able to straighten it out without having to call in a plumber. So as you can see here, the tile project continues. The mortar base has been put into the shower area. The Curdy board's been installed, and it's been taped on all the seams and the screw holes. And we're just about at the stage where we anticipate the tiling to actually begin tomorrow. So the tiling actually began today, now that all the prep work was completed. And the shower is almost completely tiled at this point. And the backsplash area around the tub is now in. Tomorrow we hope to get the deck all tiled up and the shower floor all tiled in as well. So as you can see in the tub area, the hot and cold faucet handle has been put on, the spigot has been put on, and you also see that there's some water in the tub. And what's going on there is we have put the tub into a bed of mortar underneath it we wanted to apply some weight to the tub so that mortar had a chance to dry up firmly around the tub. This will make sure that the tub stays nice and firmly secure in its base, won't be moving around in any way as people get in and out of the tub. And again, in the shower area, we have all the grouting done on the tile surface. The nozzle area has been reattached. We still need to put the shower head back on, but other than that, this project is nearly complete.